Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream home, located in the beautiful community of Green Acres, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This spacious two-story residence is perfect for family living and entertaining. The ground floor features a cozy living area and a formal dining hall, ideal for hosting dinners. The kitchen is a delight for those so inclined, while the comfortable family room provides a perfect space for relaxation. Additional amenities include a storeroom for extra storage, a full bathroom for guest and family use, and a bedroom that can be served as a guest room or home office. Upstairs, you will find a charming balcony, two bedrooms, each with its own closet, and a modern shared bathroom. The ensuite master bedroom offers a private bathroom and a walk-in closet, providing ultimate comfort and privacy. The property is adorned with fruit trees, creating a lush and serene environment. The spacious yard is perfect for family get-togethers and barbecues, making this home a true gem for those who loves outdoor living. Don't miss the opportunity to own this wonderful home in Green Acres, Spanish Town. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $260,000 or Jamaican $40 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.